Hello everyone, today we're going to be solving the Leetcode problem 125, valid palindrome. The question says, a phrase is a palindrome if, after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backwards. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. This section is extremely important because there are many test cases that have, for example, this input here has a colon, it has a comma. You have to be able to skip those if you run into it with your pointers. So given a string S, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. As soon as you see this problem, you're going to think this is a two-pointer solution. And since this says to convert all uppercase letters into lowercase and remove alphanumeric characters, you have to assume that you're gonna have to do that. So let's get right into the solution. So first we have our first pointer left, and we have our second pointer right, which starts at the other side of the array. And then my loop that I came up with is gonna be while left is less than right. And then we have two more nested while loops. Then we have while left is less than right and not S. And while it is not alphanumeric, we're gonna increment it. And while right, it's the same thing for right and not S right is alphanumeric, we're gonna decrement right. And then we also have a if statement here. If left is less than right or left is lowercase and does not equal S right lowercase, we're gonna go ahead and return false. Else, because it won't be a palindrome if they do not equal each other. Else we're gonna increment and we're gonna decrement right. And then if we go through this whole statement, and that means it is a palindrome, and we return true. Let's run it and see how it does. Alright, perfect. You see, for example, we would have failed this test case right here. This would have been failed. My first solution was to just create two pointers. I didn't even check for alphanumeric. I didn't check for any uppercase. And that did not go very well. Let's submit it, see how it does compared to other problems. Oh, the runtime actually beats 76%. The memory isn't. This would be O of n time complexity, O of n, because worst case scenario, we're just going through one of these. We would never go through all of these while loops. Anyways, thank you so much.